It's fun to spend freely and buy whatever you want, but it's important to consider the high bills at the end of the month. It's necessary to learn the 50-30-20 budgeting method, which you might find very helpful to reach your financial goal.
Seriously?
You might think that if you start making more money, all your money problems will be solved. But higher earning will not solve your problems until you learn to manage the money you have. The issue is not only how much money you make, but how well you can use and manage the money you have earned. You can start to manage your money in the best way by applying the right money management rules.
I'm listening.
So, follow the 50-30-20 budgeting method to be able to manage your money properly. What is the 50-30-20 budgeting method? This method, developed by an American Senator, Elizabeth Warren, and her daughter, Amelia Warren Tyler, is considered an easy budgeting method that you can use to manage your money efficiently and simply. There are 3 simple steps to manage your money according to this method. First, understanding your needs, determining your wants, and saving and investing. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule is simply like this. You will use half of your money for bills and expenses, 30% for spending and items service that you want, and finally 20% for savings or investments. First, 50% on essential items. First, you need to know how much money you earn, either monthly or bi-weekly after taxes, the net. Then 50% of this net income value is going to go to your needs. Some example of needs include rent or mortgage, utilities include cell phone, insurance, loans, credit card payments, groceries, and transportation.
Take half my money.
It's important to maintain your lifestyle and your needs within 50% of your income. If your basic needs exceed the 50% of your monthly net income, you must either find a way to increase your income or reduce your spending basics. Money management begins with understanding the distinction between wants and needs, which we already explained in one of our videos. You can click the link above, and also I'm going to put the link in the description below. Everyone always wants something, but wishes are one of the biggest pitfalls of money management. New technological products are a wish. You can live without them. Things such as food, clothing, and shelter are necessity, without which you cannot go on with your life. Next category, 30% on wants or non-essential expenses. This category shows non-essential items you spend money on. Optional service you choose to pay for, items like streaming services, subscription box, gym membership, restaurant meals, paid apps, events, entertainment, vacation, non-essential clothing, and stuff like this. Your wants should not exceed 30% of your earning. It's necessary to know exactly how much money you spend on wants to have a strong grasp on your current and future financial situation, especially with the economic situation and inflation, which we discussed on the previous video. Last category, 20% on saving and or investments. Finally, 20% of your salary goes to savings. Make sure you plan to save every month. Saving can provide you with many benefits, not just for your future, but also for a rainy day.
Interesting.
Don't save to save, but save to invest. Regularly transfer the savings you create into investments. If you are looking for an effortless way of investing at low cost, mutual funds may work for you. We will also talk about it more on this channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out in our future videos. Saving only without investing is a very bad idea. Your money will lose its value every year with inflation. We discuss it more in this inflation video. Also, every here and there, treat yourself. Think of it as a reward. Those who achieve financial success always pay and treat themselves first.
Treat yourself.
Savings could include emergency fund, traditional savings account, high yield savings account, retirement account like 401k, IRA, or other retirement investment accounts. If you haven't started your savings account yet, it's highly recommended to open one. Your savings account should have enough money to cover 3 to 6 of your monthly expenses to be able to invest with peace of mind.
An agreement.
Also keep in mind that saving only is not going to make you rich.
I mistrust
But saving is important for multiple reasons, such as being financially peaceful so you can make better financial decisions. This budgeting method is useful for those who are new to managing their money and want to spend their money smartly and grow their savings over time. This is your first step into financial freedom. Until next time, I am Suhaib and you're watching Money Mindset.